Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a text file using your Visual Basic Windows Form application and how to insert some text in that text file using your application. So let's get started. I will take a button and I will change the text of this button as create text file. Okay, and let me change the font size so we can see the text of the button, and let's say 18. Okay, now I will just double click this button and in here I will declare a variable. So I will write dim file as system dot io dot stream writer. Okay, now I will use this file variable and I will create a file. So I will write my dot computer dot file system dot open file writer, and in the bracket I will pass the path of this file wherever I want to create this files and the name of the file. So for example, I want to create this file inside my binary folder where my executable file of this project is there, or you can provide any path which you want to give. Just wherever you want to give the path, just copy the path of the library and just paste it there, here. But just remember, you need to replace these backslashes to forward slash like this. Okay, so just replace all the backslash to the forward slash, or what you can do is you can just add one more backslash to every backslash here. So there are two options you can do for giving the path. So for example, I would just want to make my text file in the default location wherever my binary file is there. So I will write test.txt file, and the second argument I will write as true. Okay, so this will create my text file. Now I want to write some lines to my file. So what I will do is I will write file dot write line, and inside this bracket I can insert the text for the file. So I can write this is my YouTube tutorial, for example. And whenever you create a file after writing the text in the file, it's a good practice to close the file. So just write file dot close. Okay, now I will run the program, but first of all I will show you how to go to the default location or the binary directory of your file, of your executable files. So just right click your project and go to the open folder in Project Explorer, and in here you will be able to find this binary folder, and in this binary folder you will have either debug or release folder. So just go to this folder, and this is your executable file here. Right now it's not compiled, so it's just running a blank project. So in here my text file will be created. So let me run the program. So I will run the program, and it's running without any error, and just watch here, it will create a text file when I click this button. So I'll click this button, and in here it has created a file called test.txt, and when I open this file, in a text editor. So for example, I will open it with WordPad. It will open the text file and it has inserted in this word text, which is this is my YouTube channel. Now, how to insert multiple lines in this text file? So I will close this file, and what I will do is I will just copy this file.writeline and I will just paste it 2 or 3 times. And now when I run the program and when I click this create text file and when I open this text file once again, it create multiple lines of code, right? So in this way you can create a file and write text or insert text into that text file with the help of your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.